It's all about rounding up my makes for 2022. So if that's some content you would like to see, keep on watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rochelle from Rochelle.Handmade.Designs, and in this video I'm going to round up all the makes that I did for 2022. But before I get into that, the first thing I want to say is Happy New Year. We are finally in 2023. So anything that you did not accomplish in 2022, it's okay. Make new challenges, new goals, new plans in 2023. All right. So let 2022 go and come on into 2023 with a new adventure. All right. Now, before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hello, ciao, guten tag, aloha, hola, konnichiwa, wagwan, bonjour. If you're returning, you know what to do. Go get you a quick snack, something to drink. Come on back so we could go ahead and get into this video. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we get into this video, the first thing I'm going to do is talk about what I sewed in the month of December and then off to everything I sewed the rest of the year. So for the month of December, I sewn 5 items. I sewn 2 unlined blazers. So the first one, so both of those have sew-alongs for, okay? So the first one was a New Look 6035. I have sewn this coat like 5 times, but I did redo the sew-along for it, so I'll put it in the description box below as well as on the end screen for that. The second unlined coat that I sewn was using Simplicity 1421. It was a highly requested sew-along that many of you guys wanted me to do once I announced the coat series. So that was the second unlined blazer that I did. With that blazer, I also made a skirt with that. And that pattern is Simplicity 9335 for the skirt. It is a sew-along for that skirt as well on the channel. And then from there, I did the Little Red Dress Project hosted by Renata from the Twilight Stitcher and Talisha from Creativity by T. I did McCall 7243, which was the older pattern that I've been wanting to do for such a long time. So I went ahead and did that as well. And then the last thing that I sewn for the month of December was this wrap coat, which I did a complete pattern review and a sew along 2 days ago for that. So if you missed the sew along, I will put it on the end screen as well as in the description box below for everything that I sewn for the month of December. All right. Now that I talked about everything that I sewn for the month of December, let's go ahead and get right on into everything that I sewn in 2022. Before we get straight on into the video, just let me let you know, it was 115 items. So it was 23 dresses, 29 tops, 16 skirts, 7 jumpsuits, 10 shorts, 10 pair of pants, 17 jackets, and 3 accessory pieces. Oh my goodness. Now last year in 2021, I did 112 items, and this year, 3 more for 2022. All right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into this video.
Nothing out there could ever stop me from chasing after the way you love me, keeping me up 2 cups of coffee. Baby, you make me feel so lovely. I keep on running, no, I shouldn't want it.
so there you have it. That's everything that I sewn for the year 2022, which was 115 garments, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. So I'll catch you in the next video, and as always, keep sewing.